It says here that in the semiconductor industries that the Bartle Mag probe, the solenoid valve and relay tester, offers no load to computer drivers. And can you explain how the drivers work and how it's associated with the test that the Bartle Mag probe can do?
Well, anytime you make a test on a computer output, you're not going to put a load on it with a voltmeter. Anything you hang on is going to be a load. For example, the drivers to send the signal from the computer to the solenoid valve are integrated circuits that can become loaded with a voltmeter. But with this, there's no load on the drivers. But anything you use testing the computer operating system can put a load on it and cause a malfunction. So it occurs occasionally, not frequently, but it does. It does put a load on it. But with this, it's totally isolated. The computer output through the drivers that drive the solenoid, send the signal to the solenoid valve, are completely isolated by using this. There's no load on it at all. It won't even know it's there, although you're making a critical measurement, which is, in the case of dispensing on a wafer, have to know what time it takes, how long it's open to allow a certain amount of flow on the wafer.
Right. So what is the conventional way they make a test to not load the drivers?
Well, basically, there's really no good way. You can use an oscilloscope that helps, but use a probe that tends to reduce that problem. But we're talking about thousands of dollars into hooking up connecting the oscilloscope, setting it up. They're clumsy. Some of them are small, and they're very small ones now, but they're expensive, and it's very time consuming to hook it up and read these times of the pulses applied to it. And with a mag probe, the beautiful part about it, you can measure not only the time of the pulse, but if it should stay on a certain length of time if it clicks. In other words, it doesn't stay on consistently. You have lost power for just a momentary second. It can be as fast as 10,000th of a second. The mag probe would detect it on the LED, and you'll see there's a problem during the dispense cycle.
So basically, it takes a very costly test operation down to seconds.
Yes. Not only that, but it totally isolates it from the computer.
Okay, thanks.